Hey guys, this is your realtor Paul Lambo with Maxwell Polaris. Today we're in the community of Walker Lakes. We are dealing with a bit of a chilly weather today, but we're introducing you to another property bringing on the market. This is a half duplex, rare find, bungalow style. Offers 3 bedrooms, 2 kitchens, separate entrance to the basement as well. We're bringing it on the market at a very reasonable price with a detached garage. Also, you don't want to miss out. Come check it out.